Namaste. Welcome to sciatica and lower back pain yoga therapy. Sciatica is nerve pain that originates in the lower back and radiates down the buttock to the thigh and leg on one side. Back pain is pressure on the spinal nerves. When discs lose their cushioning ability, they become stiff and cause pain. Let's begin with standing mountain pose. Inhale, raise your hands, joining your palms. Gently lift your kneecaps and steady your legs. Breathe smoothly. Remove all tensions. Fix your eyes inward and find your center. Exhale, down your hands, relax. Now standing Bhujangasana with props. Steady. Inhale and gently bend backwards. Stay steady for few seconds. Exhale and slowly come out of the back bend and relax with forward bend with support of chair. Sciatica pain is caused by an irritation, inflammation, pinching or compression of a nerve in the lower back. Now hold the straps fixed on the wall and slowly walk away from the wall till your shoulders and hands are stretched backwards. Breathe smoothly, inward focus, stay steady with at least 2 to 3 minutes. To come out, slowly walk backwards and release your hands. Relax. Now some sitting exercise for pain relief. Sit in Dandasana and place your right leg over your left thigh. Support your back against a wall. Place your palms on the floor and lengthen your spine. Stay steady for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Mentally calm and focused in breathing. Gently come back normal position. Now repeat with your other leg. Some preventions for sciatica. Always maintain good postures. Maintain a healthy weight. Exercise regularly. Choose physical activities least likely to hurt your back. Keep yourself safe from falls, etc. Relax. Now reclining pigeon pose and variation exercises. Lie on your back. Bend your knees and place your hands on the sides. Raise your feet off the floor as shown. Hold for 10 seconds. Now slowly down your right leg. Keep your left leg still. Stay for 10 seconds. Back to the position. Hold 10 seconds. Now down your left leg on the floor. Keep your right leg still. Stay steady for 10 seconds. Back to the position. Hold 10 seconds. Again right leg down. Hold 10 seconds. Up, normal position. Hold 10 seconds. Next, left leg down. Hold 10 seconds. Repeat this exercise for 3 to 5 times. Relax few seconds. Now cross one ankle over the other knee. Lift your left leg and cross it over the other. Keep your knee bent. Your ankle should rest on your thigh just above your opposite knee. Push your knee with left hand until you feel the stretch. Stay steady. Hold for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Gently release. Repeat on other side. Now lift on your right leg and cross it over the left thigh. Gently push your knee with right hand until you feel the stretch. Stay steady. Hold at least 20 to 30 seconds. Focus in breathing. Gently release. Come back normal position. Relax for few seconds. Now reclining pigeon pose. The left ankle cross the right thigh, close the knees. Clasp your hands together around your right knee and gently pull to raise your knee and foot off the floor. Only pull towards your body as far as you can comfortably go and feel a stretch. Stay for 10 seconds. Next, straighten your leg vertically as shown. Stay for 10 seconds. Bend your leg as shown. Stay for 10 seconds. Down. Stay for 5 to 10 seconds. Gently release. Push your left knee gently and relax. Come back normal position. Relax for 10 to 20 seconds. Take normal breaths and repeat on other side. Now cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Clasp your hands together around your left knee and gently pull to raise your knee and foot off the floor. Only pull towards your body as far as you can comfortably go and feel a stretch. Now straighten your leg vertically as shown. Hold at least 10 seconds. Stay steady. Focus on your breath. And now bend your knee as shown. Hold for 10 seconds. Hold your knee. Down your foot. Stay for 5 seconds. Gently release from posture. Gently push your right knee and relax. Gently come back normal position. Take some normal breaths. Relax for 10 to 20 seconds. Abdominal twist pose. Bend your knees. Exhale, roll to left side and stretch out your legs. Stay steady with even breathing. At least 20 to 30 seconds. Inhale, come back normal position. Exhale, roll to right side and stretch out your legs. Stay steady with even breathing at least 20 to 30 seconds or as your body allows. Inhale back to normal position and practice this abdominal twist posture or Jatara Parvattasana at least 2 to 3 minutes or as you required. Inhale, normal position, relax. Now Markatasana. Bend your knees, exhale, roll to left side, stay steady at least 20 to 30 seconds. Inhale, center, exhale, roll to right side. Stay steady, rest your shoulders on the floor. Practice this asana 3 to 5 minutes or as your body allows. Relax. Now spine healing pose. Lie down on your back with your spine raised on booster cushion and your head lower towards the floor. Rest of your head on your cushion. Stretch your legs in line with your hips and place your hands along sides of your body. Stay steady with focused even breathing. Practice this asana at least 5 minutes. This yoga therapy repair the damages, align the discs, relax the tense nerves, strengthen the spine and the connecting areas. Regular practice will provide permanent relief. The sequence given is simple and will be beneficial. Do not overstretch and strain. Practice 2 times every day with a positive attitude. Avoid postures that cause back pain. Now bend your knees and extend them to the sides. Press the soles of your feet together in front of your perineum. Supta Baddha Konasana. Reclining bound angle posture position. Stay in this position for at least 2 minutes. Stay steady, breathe. Come back normal position. Relax. Now Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Alternate nostril breathing. Close your eyes. Close your right nostril. Inhale through left nostril. Close your left nostril. Exhale through right nostril. Slowly. Again inhale through same nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through left nostril. Repeat this cycle several times for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Keep Vishnu Mudra in your hands. Vishnu Mudra. Bend index and middle fingers towards your palm and keep the other fingers upright. Sit straight and focus on the center of your forehead and concentrate on your breath. Now inhale through left nostril, close your right nostril, hold your breath for few seconds. Close your left nostril, exhale through right nostril very slowly and hold your breath. Inhale same nostril, hold your breath at least 10 seconds. Exhale through left nostril, close your right nostril Simply hold and repeat the cycle with retention of breath at least 5 to 10 minutes. Alternate nostril breathing with retention. This purifies the nervous system, energy channels, hence the name. It is also called Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Exhalations must be longer than inhalations. Do not practice retention when you are sick or when you have high BP. After every inhalation, hold your breath for few seconds. Exhale slowly and steadily through the opposite nostril. The duration of retention of breath will vary from person to person. It largely depends on your lung capacity and your present mindset. During retention of breath, there should be no pressure or strain. Come out of the practice as you inhale through your right nostril. Bring your hands down and exhale through both nostrils. Relax. Now, Vayu Mudra, wind seal. Fold the tip of your index finger on the base of your thumb. Press your thumb over it. Keep your other fingers upright. Sit straight and close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Practice this Vayu Mudra or wind seal at least 20 to 30 minutes. Now, Surya Mudra, sun seal. Bend your ring finger and press your thumb over it. Keep your index, middle and little fingers upright. Close your eyes. Focus on the focal point, that is center of between two eyebrows, and feel calm. Practice this Surya Mudra or sun seal at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now, Apana Vayu Mudra, descending wind seal. This is a combination of Apana and Vayu Mudra. Place your index finger as in Vayu Mudra and your middle ring and thumb finger as in Apana Mudra. Close your eyes, sit straight and focus on the center of your forehead and mentally chant your favorite mantra. Some health tips. Correct your postures and avoid carrying heavy weight. Avoid sitting for long time because it exerts pressure on the buttocks muscles, hips and lower back. Avoid caffeine, fatty, fried and hot spicy foods. Eat foods rich in vitamin C, calcium and magnesium. Avoid wearing high-heeled shoes and do not lift heavy weight. Avoid sleeping on your stomach. Sleep straight on your back. Yoga science regards spine as the most important part in the body because the spine connects and supports the skull, chest, hands, abdomen, pelvis and legs. Practice this Apana Vayu Mudra, descending wind seal, at least 30 minutes regularly. Simply massage your palms. Relax. Relax with Shanti Asana or Savasana or corpse posture. Now, Balasana. Turn right side as shown. Close your eyes and breathe few times. Stay for 20 to 30 seconds. Practice this Balasana both sides. Now, supine relaxation. Relaxation is most important after completion of yoga therapy sequence. Stay for relaxation compulsory at least 10 to 15 minutes. Regular practice of this yoga therapy will provide permanent relief from sciatica and lower back pain. Thank you.